What can make you delete TikTok? Angry neighbors and kitchen renovations are a strong reason. What should TikTokers do at home, whenever they like, and chat online? Guys, I finally found a great idea! I'm gonna show it to you right now! Melt candy. Use a metallic straw to blow caramel bubbles. Yay! It's working! There's a ton of bubbles! The truth is, it doesn't work every time. Tommy's biggest love is his mom, at least for now. Tommy is a mama's boy. He calls her all the time and asks for advice. Cookies and hot cocoa? What could be better? Oh no, a cookie fell into my cup. Hi, Mom. I'm in huge trouble. A cookie fell in my cup of hot cocoa. Son, don't cry. Mom will think of something. There we go. I found a nice life hack on TikTok. Melt butter. Add sugar. And a pinch of salt. Pour in milk. Add flour and cocoa powder. Mix to get an even consistency and put it into a mug. Microwave it for 2.5 minutes. Sprinkle the ready cupcake with powdered sugar. Decorate it with berries. This is a perfect cupcake! It's delicious! Thanks, Mommy! Sometimes workouts are tiring, but Kelly gets genius ideas even when she's asleep. I saw a unique coffee recipe in my dream. I need to go to the kitchen right now and try it. Put 2 teaspoons of instant coffee into a bowl and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Pour in some water and whisk it until you get thick foam. Put ice cubes into a cup. Pour in milk. Add the whipped coffee. Stir. Add a straw. The master chef nailed this task. The coffee is ready, and it's yummy! Megan loves messing around. I love candy. Hey girl, why are you sad? Catch this! And here's a gummy bear for you. You can have a bear too. Oh, I just remembered a funny TikTok life hack. Put Skittles in a plate. Put Haribo gummy bears into a bowl. Melt in a microwave. Pour the mixture onto the plate with candy. Shape a snake candy with gummy bears inside and Skittles outside. This mustache is so yummy! Or is it a beard? That's a stylish headband! Everyone on TikTok says that that's a knife hidden in the Nutella cap. Let's test this life hack. Remove the inner layer of the cap. It's empty. There's nothing. Not a knife, not a spoon. Thank goodness my spoon is always with me. Here's a life hack. Always bring a spoon with you. Oh, Nutella tastes amazing. Emily found another unusual dessert recipe on TikTok. Today, I'll show you an amazing way to cook a mini cake. Open the top of a milk carton. Add 4 marshmallows. Pour in 2 eggs. Stir. Put it into a microwave. The experiment failed. Who's going to clean the microwave? Oh no, this is terrible. Oh, my shoes! That looks bad! Let's try to improve this dessert a bit. Chocolate syrup, a strawberry. It looks pretty good in the pic, but it's actually a nightmare. Kelly spends all her free time exercising. Oh, this is a very creative idea. Colorful popcorn. Hey guys, today we are making Skittles flavored popcorn. Put Skittles into a pan. Add vegetable oil. Put in popcorn kernels. Cover the pot with a lid. Cook the popcorn till it's done popping. The sweet popcorn is done. But Kelly's sweet popcorn burned. Hang on. I'll take pre-made popcorn and sprinkle it with food coloring. Like this. Look, isn't it beautiful? And it's delicious. You can do it too. Tommy got a package from his mom. What is it? Pasta? I love it! Mommy, thanks! You're the best! But how do I cook pasta? I don't even have a pot, but I have friends and TikTok. Let's try out a life hack with pasta in a mug. Pour water into a cup. Put in pasta. Microwave it. Wait. It didn't work. The pasta is still hard. This life hack failed. Mommy, help! What should I do? I'm pretty sure this isn't the way al dente pasta is supposed to look. A true athlete loves healthy food. There's nothing better than an avocado. I'm going to make some healthy toast right now. It's not working! Stupid avocado! TikTok, help me out! Yeah, I knew there's another way! A rolling pin will help me! Peel an avocado, cut it in half. Remove the seed, put the avocado into a Ziploc bag. Mash it with a rolling pin until it's smooth. Cut a corner off the bag. Squeeze the avocado on bread slices. Sprinkle with sesame seeds. This avocado toast is perfect for a healthy breakfast. Tidiness isn't Megan's middle name, but she still cleans the kitchen every once in a while. Maybe I can do something with these snack leftovers. Aha! Here we go! Open a bag of nacho chips. Crumble the chips. Add slices of sausages into the bag. Fried onions. Fresh herbs. Grated cheese. And beaten eggs. Cook it in the bag for 30 minutes. Put the ready dish on a plate. Cut and serve with a sauce. Guys, this is absolutely delicious! I highly recommend it! Fried ice cream is this season's hot trend, and today I'll try frying ice cream in a waffle maker. Wait a little. Oh, it didn't work. Yay! There's a nice recipe on TikTok. Put a scoop of ice cream onto a slice of bread. Cover it with another slice. Cut out a circle around the ice cream scoop. Dip the ball into hot vegetable oil. Put the bread on a plate once it's crusty. Sprinkle with powdered sugar. Decorate with berries. An unusual dessert is ready. an exquisite treat! Oh, it's good! This dessert is absolutely divine! Yummy! And this life hack is just for me! How to make hot chocolate from Nutella! I already have a cup of milk and a jar with Nutella left over. Microwave milk. Pour it into a mostly empty Nutella jar. Stirred, not shaken. Or shaken, not stirred. It doesn't look good. That's delicious! This hot chocolate is great! Did you like our TikTok life test? Then comment below and tell us which ones you'll copy. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new ideas from Troom.